Hello everybody, today we'll be learning how to fix faces in Comfyui. For example, we have this messed up face and we have to fix it, so we'll begin and I'll show you how to fix it. So we'll go to Custom Nodes Manager and we will download a couple nodes that are gonna help us fix this face. So the first one is impact pack. So impact packs, but we also need an impact sub pack. So this is missing some stuff, and this sort of supplements it with extra nodes that we need. And we'll install this, and I'm gonna cut here, but once it's done, I will resume. Alright, after you're done downloading the nodes, make sure you restart, make sure you refresh, and after doing that, we're going to go into Model Manager, and we're going to search for SAM. We're looking for the SAM model, which is these three right here. We only need one. I'm going to get this one. But these two are the best SAM model is this one right here, and but it's mainly for if you have better hardware. I only have limited GPU, so I'm going to use this one, but this one is only marginally better than this one, so you're better off with this one if you're low on hardware. But if you have like a good GPU, then you should go with the best one. And after installing it, we're gonna start connecting our nodes here. So we're gonna need our Ultralytics detector provider, and we're gonna load in we'll talk about this in a second. So let's go for SAM loader here, SAM loader, and then we're gonna go for face detailer. Now we have these, so let's connect the B box with the B box, and then the SAM model with the SAM model. Let's get the image right here. Now if you have a LoRa, you shouldn't connect the model right here. You should connect it to the LoRa, whatever it's at. But if I don't have a LoRa, so I'm just gonna connect it to the checkpoint. Then the clip, gonna connect it to the clip, the VAE, positive, negative. Alright, here I'm going to preview the image, and then alright, so because I have the SDXL checkpoint, I'm going to change this to 1024. But if you have an SD Stable Diffusion 1.5 model, you should do 512. Just leave it at that. If you have Stable Diffusion 1.5, you should leave most of these as is. So steps, I'm only gonna do 12. I only need 12 with this model. I'll do 5 for the SFG, DPM 2M, and the Caress. This is the recommended stuff for analog madness. I'm doing the same here, or I should do the same here. I'll leave that as is for now. It doesn't matter that much. Right, so that's all we need. Yeah. Right, so let's run this. Alright, this is the generated image. As you can see, it's very bad, so the face is not very good. So after running it with face detailer, you can see the huge difference between these two. It just not even close. Huge difference. The face is far more better and far more detailed, and it's just huge difference. Of course, if you don't want to do just the face, you can do hands. But if you want to do both, you can do the person. I have to be honest here, the person is, although it's good, but it's not as good as if you would have done the face alone or the hand alone. But it's still good. I still recommend doing it. But that's pretty much it. And this is only on 12 steps, so you can imagine if you have like 30 steps here, it would be absolutely amazing. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Leave a subscribe, like if you like the video, and leave a comment. I'll see you later.